I'm pregnant.
What? No! Yes!
Is there anything in there?
Not what you would expect to see at 10 weeks. There's no heartbeat, John. I'm very, very sorry.
God, let's not do that. Shrieks. Oversex souls in hell. Jenny?
Ah, the luck of the Irish. Hi, Marty.
Oh,
Whoa, whoa. Big bummer if you ate the baby.